Newly renovated in 2021 and move-in ready. Eastern exposure with tons of natural light and bright living room and kitchen area for entertaining. Gourmet kitchen features open floor plan with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, glass tile backsplash and modern light fixtures. 3 spacious bedrooms feature sufficient closet space, ceiling fans and gleaming hardwood floors and new windows. Both bathrooms were fully remodeled top to bottom with new cabinets, tile flooring, commodes, bath and modern fixtures and finishes. Partially fenced backyard with long concrete drive leading to the all-brick, 2-car garage and backyard, huge lower level with new carpet and laundry room with washer/dryer and slop sink, ready for your finishing touches. News include windows, hardwood flooring, appliances, cabinets, electric, insulation, drywall, HVAC, hot water heater, furnace, plumbing, carpet in lower level, light fixtures and finishes, doors and more. Roof is 11 years award-winning school district. Quiet neighborhood, close to shopping, schools, parks and more. A must-see. Disclosures may be downloaded online.